everybody. This is a present from my uncle. Ooh, I don't know. Is it a Furby baby? Maybe. Ooh, and this a lovely package. Ooh, snowflakes. And there's Doodoo. Doodoo is back. He first appeared in the video where the door was open. Now it's a Furby baby. Ooh, what's this? Is that a Furby baby? Ooh, I saw a different package. Now Doodoo is dancing. Doodoo is a hyper personality. Ooh, I wonder how Furby baby sounds. But I heard of a Furby baby. Ooh, I wonder how Furby baby speaks and sounds like. Maybe it sounds like a 2012 Furby. Ooh, it looks so cute. I don't know which one's that. And that's the one that I wanted. He looks so adorable. Ooh, and he has his little beak. Oh, so cute. And he's much smaller. This one's the biggest, the Furby Boom. Okay. Ooh. And I know electronic Furby babies. I can communicate with other Furbies and Furby babies. I can talk to Furby and Furby babies. The more you tickle and joke with me, the more I love and play. Ooh, electronic Furby babies. I think the Furby baby is from 1999. The more you hug and pet me, more I'll love you. He is very antique. And I'll finish. The more I'll love your back. I speak my own language, Furbish. Ooh. And Furby babies are rated for 6 and up, like Furby Boom and others. Ooh, they look totally cute. I actually saw the pink one. I'll show it to you, everybody. There's a pink one. I got a yellow one. Ooh, I got a Furby baby. And see you soon, everybody.